Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Faith.
And I'm Dylan, and we'll be reviewing Virgil's debut collection at Louis Vuitton.
Let's just get right into the first box.
So we got, it looks like some tassels and a small pouch.
What's in the pouch?
I think it's perfume. So we got some Louis Vuitton Les Parfumés.
I don't think that's how you say it. It feels like wrong terrific.
Tear right into it, you know.
Wow!
Wow.
That looks so nice.
The embroidery on here is insane. I don't know if you guys can see that. This was probably my favorite piece of his entire collection. The embroidery and the design on the collar is so unique, but I didn't really like the zippers compared to regular buttons on a polo.
I actually kind of like the zipper on the polo because it's very trendy at the moment.
This is like a polo, right?
It's a zip-up polo, actually.
This is kind of like the motor sport trend with the zip, I think. Remember how Off-White did that like motor sport?
And I think like other brands like Vitamins are also doing like rave style stuff, you know?
This one. I don't know what's in here because we kind of forgot which one it was. Oh, okay. So it has the same stuff in it, you know.
The perfumes, tassels.
Wow.
Wow.
So I think this is the t-shirt.
Dang.
Wow.
Out of both the shirts, this one's my favorite. I really like both the front and back designs. The rainbow detail on the front really sets it apart from other shirts. The only thing that was a bit of a letdown was that there was no embroidery. For $650, a little embroidery would have been a nice touch.
Yeah, that's true. I agree. $650 is a lot for just a t-shirt, especially since the quality really isn't there and it doesn't really differ from a regular t-shirt.
Honestly, the quality's alright, you know?
It's nothing special.
Nothing special, but like, I feel like Uniqlo has better, like it's a lot thicker. It's getting a little old. So it's, ooh.
This one's nice.
This
kind of looks like.
This one, the front. I don't know if you guys can see.
I really like the back of the shirt way more because the design is really cool and unique. And plus, you can really see the Wizard of Oz theme peeking through in this one. And looking at the shirt more closely, the embroidery is a bit busy. You can't even read the logo properly, but the back is really cool though.
The quality is the same as the other t-shirt.
Yeah.
It's alright.
It's thick and stuff, but it's
not that soft, to be honest. But I guess you're not really paying for that.
Yeah, you're paying for the...
You're paying for the brand. Yeah.
Hi guys, sorry we forgot to film an outro for our latest video, but we actually have a big announcement coming up. Do you want to tell them?
We'll be giving away this iPhone X Mastermind case. The description will have the instructions down below.
Yeah, so head over to our Instagram channel and please like and subscribe for our video.